piano. There's a big vibe, but the girls them know. Steadily, heavily. Missing someone.
Hey guys, meet my introduce partner. Bed to sleep in, guys. What is, and the room is so spacious. Also, I have like a thing going on here where we can eat our dinner, you know, have drinks, and a mini fridge. And the lighting here is not bad as well, but there's nothing LED light cannot fix. We could say hi. She's such a goofy girl. Also, there's another window here, and the room is so spacious. That's what I actually love about it. Let's check out the wardrobe. Guys, this is heaven. I can hide myself in here. Like, oh my god. I almost broke it. Where is the other one? Ado. I think we need to forcefully open this one. Rest my head. I wish you guys were here. And the bedroom, this is actually what I love. My skincare products are actually going here. Like, so, and I can check myself in the mirror. Guys, you're about to be sick of me. You're about to be sick of me. I have this soap powder, whatever. And we have a bit of towel hanger. I said inside there is a necessary support. I think this is our first aid box. By the time we got back to our hotel, we were already hungry. So my travel partner and I went to Chicken Republic to get food, and this is what we are doing here. I don't know why she was filming me though.
I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Break my heart, you can kiss my ass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya? I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya?
So guys, get ready with me. I'm just going to wear my rings. Just a little accessorizing.
Church in Nigeria still standing but no longer in use. St. Peter's Cathedral is opposite the palace of the Alake of Egbaland. This is the warrior that led the Egbas from old Oyo Empire. His name is Shodeke. We met it on the way when we were coming. This is the senator where he is settled. Now this is all about Lishabi. This is where the ancestral home of Lishabi is set up, something to the ground. A shadow of itself, but this is not how it looks like now today. But this is the palace of the Alake. So it's celebrating the Egbas and their uniqueness. So who are the Egbas? Okiono sons and daughters, Ake sons and daughters, Fela Eneshonekon and the likes. Okionos are the
The man in that video came with a group and we just joined them. They didn't know we were not part of the group. We were listening to the history, and then after the art gallery, we came here to where they do this was tie and dye with different things. And then man, we literally met the man. That man can take pictures for Africa. and he's deaf. I wish I could put his handle here, but I don't know it. But that man is like the bomb. I think I'll put the pictures he took of us at the end of the video. And this is us just climbing these stairs, guys. I didn't know we signed up for suffer head, because these stairs, they're not for everybody. But when we saw this man on crutches also climbing with us, we were like, ha, what are we doing? What are we doing? We need to go. So after we got to the final stairs, they said we had already climbed 120 stairs. So all of us were just clapping like, oh my god, 120 stairs done.
Let me update my WhatsApp status. 120 steps gone today. Glory to God.
120 steps done, guys.
Damn.
No wala, no wala.
Jeez,
We pin, we full ground.
the first. Don't buy you.
Oh, I vlog you.
I saw your head, you always shake. You don't go record me.
It's also a symbol of Egba unity, strength, and unfailing protection. The chief priest is called Abore in the Yoruba land. Other traditional rulers in town invited guests, indigenous of Abeokuta, will stay outside to say amen to his prayer.
This kind of stuff. Person guys get all this vlogging platform.
Now it's all by we are saying give you. But the money no over this time. So I don't say I go wing up like that, Gary. I don't get straight.
Double up, double up, double up.
Yes, by the time we got to this cave, it had already started raining, and we didn't have any choice but to hide under the cave to get away from the rain. And we were told that this cave was where the people in Abeokuta hid when there was intertribal war. So everybody was just going inside, like, how did they survive in this hole? Like, they said all of their families stayed there, they cooked there, bathed here and everything. I'm like, guy, you can see how wet I am. And this is my friend Abeokuta. She was just complaining like, oh, Maureen just ruined this day for us, but we are not giving up, baby. This is us going to another place despite the rain. We found a place that had stairs, but it was so narrow. I looked so, I don't know, I just couldn't follow them. I wanted to before. I'm like, now only me and mama born. If I don't go follow them, if I don't go stop them, they ask me waiting and they find. So I just filmed this for you guys, and I literally followed these stairs. So this is me complaining because these stairs were so long. Now no tell me say na hiking in disguise I come for, because okay. Remember those people that took that tiny steps? Look at where they are coming from, guys. It's not me. I would have fainted. Anyway, these people get my share. I've finally gotten to the mountain top. Like, this is the highest of Olumorok. And this is us just vibing, playing some music. And look at the view, guys. Guess where I am. So guys, after a stressful day at Olumorok, we decided to visit Tambama to eat. And then when they gave us the menu, me and my travel partner looked at each other like, boy, this is not for broke girls. So we decided to opt for drinks, and that's what we are doing here. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Please support your girl by subscribing. Share this video if you like it. Give it a thumbs up and turn on the post notification.
That's why everybody hating on me like Chris. Kill me.